Today we're taking a look at a Craftsman 18-inch 42cc chainsaw. Really nice little chainsaw, just needs a little TLC to get her back up and running in good shape again. A 100% complete 42cc Craftsman chainsaw, no damage or broken cases. Bar is in good shape. The chain will need to be sharpened or possibly replaced. Has excellent compression, has great spark. It will start and run, but unfortunately it will only idle. You can buy this saw right now for only $49.99 plus shipping anywhere in the U.S. $49.99 plus shipping anywhere in the U.S. Don't hesitate, because when it's gone, and it will not be in your garage. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.